What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now here is the main part that starts, okay? And that is that how can you accept payments to your website, okay? So this is really very important. So guys, just please understand everything, okay? If you do not have a PayPal account, make sure to get it because PayPal is the most important thing that you should be having on your site. And mostly people do pay from PayPal because there might be some people do not provide their credit card information. They just use PayPal. That is a secure way and like that. So it totally depends that if you want to add that credit card option, you can add it, but PayPal is the most important thing. So what you have to do, you just basically need to sign up at paypal.com. Okay, and after you sign up, you just have to log in, okay, and then it will be good. Okay, so let me just go to my site, my PayPal account. Let me log in. And you can see that this here, I'm gonna show you how can you just add it. So you can see that this is everything from my PayPal account. I have the profile right here, and this is my business profile basically. Okay, so make sure that you go ahead, you create your account, and make sure that you create your business account here so that you can accept payments. Okay, and then you have to go to the products right here, WooCommerce, and then you have to go to settings. Okay, and in the settings, you have to go to the shipping. Okay, I'm sorry, checkout. In the checkout section, you have to add your PayPal details. So if I just go to PayPal right now, then here I have to enter the details. So this is my PayPal email address. Okay, advanced options. So this will be my PayPal receiver email. If your main PayPal email address differs from the PayPal email, enter above. Input your main receiver email for your PayPal account. This is used to validate PIN request. So this is my main. Okay, and then I have the PayPal identity token. Okay, so you have to grab it from the PayPal itself, and then we have the invoice prefix. So you can just leave it as it is. Okay, you can just use the PayPal standard one, and they're not much necessary. Okay, enable PayPal API credentials to process refunds via PayPal. Learn how to access your PayPal. So we don't want to process refunds directly from the WooCommerce here. Okay, we want to refund our refunds from their section. Okay, I would not recommend you to add it. Otherwise, if in future your site gets compromised, then there might be some issues. Okay, so make sure that you do not add anything here. You just have to do it manually. I would recommend you to do it manually. Okay, so here we have everything, but first what we have to do is that we need to test our payments. Okay, and how we're gonna do this, we just have to go to this developer.paypal.com. Okay, and then we have to PayPal Sandbox can be used to test payments. So this sandbox will be used to test our payments. Okay, accept payments with one of our robust APIs. Open the door for Apple Pay, Android Pay, Venmo, whatever the next with this or GetUp. Okay, so you can see that make sure that you are here in the PayPal. Make sure that you have your account in the PayPal. So if I just go to developer.paypal.com/applications, you can see that here are my every applications that I have. So I can create REST app, I can create anything. But what you have to do, you have to sign up at PayPal for this. And then you have to go to Sandbox. Okay, you have to go to Sandbox account basically. So Sandbox account will be used to test your payments. Okay, so you can see that I have these type of Sandbox account. Okay, you will see none of the accounts, so I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna delete every account, I'm gonna hit delete. So you can see that when you will come here and you will see Sandbox account. So this is basically, okay, I cannot delete it. Okay, no problem. Okay, so when you will see only this one and this one, these two accounts here. So these are created by me to test my account. Okay, so now here, what you have to do in the account section and signing up at developer.paypal.com, what we need to do is that we need to create account. Okay, and then we have to enter it here. We have to enable the sandbox, and then we will test the payment. So let's just come here, let's just hit create account. Okay, and we need to create an account. So I need to create an account, and that will be my United States. This is the personal buyer account, and this is the business merchant account. So I need the business merchant account, and this is going to be info at the rate complete wpcourse.com. Okay, so I'm just gonna add it like this: info at s5.complete.wpcourse.com. So here I'm gonna enter the password, and here I have to enter the first name. So my first name is going to be okay, this is optional, so leave it. Now we have this right here. This is the payment method. So we have PayPal balance is $5,000. Okay, we have the verified bank account, and the Visa card is not, the MasterCard is. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit create account. So you can see that this account is going to be created. So once you are done with this, you have to just come here, and then you have to enter your email address here. Okay, let's wait till this is done. I have to check it, and then I have to come here. I have to select S1 info at s5.complete wpcourse.com. Okay, this is done. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna enter the same here. So let's just come here. Let's just paste it. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to just hit save changes, and you can see that we will be done. So you can see PayPal sender send customers to the PayPal to the entire payment information. PayPal pin requires 4 steps CURL to update order statuses after payment. Check system status page for more details. Okay, so you can click here, and it's just going to take you to the system details. So you can see that my account is also created, info at s5.complete.wpcourse.com. Okay, same like this, I want to add a personal account. Okay, I want to come here. I'm going to click here, create an account, and this will be the buyer account basically. Okay, I'm going to come here. I'm going to enter the email address. So this is going to be like test buyer at the rate example.com. Okay, so here I want to add the code. Email already exists. Buyers. The password here. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to just enter the PayPal balance. So I have this much. Okay, this is the payment card, and this is the personal buyer account. And then we have the select the payment card. So payment card is discovered. Okay, I'm just gonna select MasterCard, and I'm gonna hit create account. So you can see that my account is going to be created right now. And now we're going to test everything from here. So you can see that this is buyers at example.com. This is the email address that we have, and this is currently processing. So you have to wait till this is processed. Okay, you can just create. You can just refresh it, and you can see this is also completed. Okay, the country is set to US. I'm just gonna come here, and I am going to test our account. So let's just come here and open everything in a new tab. Okay, I want to go to s5.complete.wpcourse.com, and let's just go ahead and test our payments, everything. So if I just come here, and I can also check my profile right here. Okay, it's gonna tell me that how much I have in my account, and also the notification for this. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna. Okay, this is the phone number. This is it. These are the API credentials, and these are the funding. These are the settings. Okay, so here you can also add the username, password, and signature to just process the refunds. Okay, let me tell you what it is. These to process the refund. So let's just come here, and let's just click here. Let's just click here, and let's just come here. Let's just enter the password, and let's add it here. Let's come here. Let's copy this, and let's paste it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save changes. Okay, I would not recommend it. Okay, but we will just test it. So let's just come here and let's test everything. So I'm gonna go down. I want to buy this one. So let's suppose. Okay, I just come here. It will take me to the winter package. Okay, I need this one, and I need this one, and I want to hit add to cart. So this has been added to my card. I'm gonna hit checkout. Okay, I'm gonna enter my details. So this is going to be Jonathan. Okay. Let's just add the email address. So this is going to be buyers@example.com. Okay. I'm gonna create an account for this, and I'm gonna name it as this. Okay. And now I have to just hit this, and I have to accept the terms and conditions, and I want to hit proceed to PayPal. So it's going to take me to that PayPal, and then it's going to get that. So you can see this will be a sandbox, and it will tell me that this is a test thing. So it is taking me there. You can see Tanzito Ramon's test store. This is right here. And I have this buyers@example.com. I'm going to enter the password, and then I'm going to hit login. So here you go. You can see it says this. It says I have read and agree, and I'm gonna hit agree and continue. So now you can see everything is totally up and running. It is processing, and after the processing is done, it's gonna take me there, and it's gonna tell me that my payment has been processed. So here we go. I'm paying from PayPal balance. Okay, I'm gonna hit pay now. It gave an error. Okay. Okay, so it did not work with this Chrome. I don't know why it was giving the error. Okay, but then I just tried it with this one right here, the Internet Explorer. You can see it says you paid 46.40 to Tanzito Ramon's test store. And these are the details, and everything is totally up and running. If I just click return to merchant, it's going to take me back to the merchant account. Okay, and you can see that it says order received. It is PayPal, and everything is totally up and running. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, and now I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go to my profile right here, and let's check our balance, that how much balance we have right here. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna refresh this because my account is just logged out. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna log myself in again. Okay, and then it's gonna take us to the developer account. So then we have to go to the Sandbox, and we have to view our profiles so that we can check if we have received that payment. Okay, so that was 25. So we should be having the 25 in our this account right here. Okay, so let's just come here. Let's just see if it works. So I'm gonna click here again. Okay, I don't know why it is taking so long. It has some problem. Okay, yeah, here we go. You can see that now I have to go to the settings right here, the funding, and you can see that my balance has been increased. Okay, and this is how you can see that everything is totally up and running. So now if I just go to the WooCommerce and then the orders itself, then you will see this is right here. This is currently in processing because I have received the payment. Okay, now what I will do, if I want to refund him back the amount, that he says that everything is right here, I cannot edit this order. Okay, but I want to refund this order. The guy said that I didn't like your order and something like that. I'm just gonna hit refund, and you can see refund amount. So I'm gonna refund him all the amount. So that is going to be 46. Okay, so this will be refund via PayPal. Okay, reason for refund. Okay, I'm gonna hit refund 46. Are you sure you wish to process this refund? This section cannot be undone. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit this because I want the refund. So you can see let's see if everything works, because we have edited the details and it should be work. Okay, so you can see it says you have refunded the amount. And now let's come here. Let's come here and let's refresh this to see everything is going up and running or not. Okay, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna go to this one right here, and let's see if we have got the credit back, if the refund is processed already. So I'm gonna go to funding right now, and you can see that our balance is totally right here. So you can see the refund is now totally up and working, and it is totally running. So this is how you can go ahead. You can just work with a PayPal. You can create your developer PayPal account, and then you can enter your own information here. I would not recommend you to go with this. Always refund manually. You have to enter your own email address here, and everything will be totally up and running. So you can see that now we have tested the PayPal email address. In the next video, I'm going to show you how can you move on and accept credit card payment. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.